Akala mo ba hindi mo kayang magkabahay sa isang lugar na malapit sa Tagaytay? What if I told you na you can own a home in Richdale West Residences? A place that affordable, spacious, and close to all future developments. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, let me show you exactly how this is possible. Introducing the Linea model, a 2-story single attached with 100 square meter lot area and 77.25 square meter of floor area. This is more than enough space for you and your family. Plus, may one carport ka pa. Imagine all of this prime location that's not too far from the city but offer a peaceful environment for your family. And here's the twist. You can own this beautiful single attached for only 20,000 reservation fee and as low as 20,000 monthly down payment. You can have a home that's perfect for your family. This is just about buying a house. It's about investing in a place where your family can grow, live comfortable, and feel secure. Ngayon, pag-usapan natin ang pinaka-the best part, location. Richdale West Residences is located at Panongyanan, General Trias, Cavite. Few minutes away from Tagaytay, kaya enjoy mo na ang cool breeze and fresh air. Pero malapit ka pa rin sa lahat ng kailangan mo. And the best part, Calax. Cavite Laguna Expressway is just nearby. So traveling to Metro Manila is now easier than ever. Pero ito pa, may mga malalaking developments na malapit soon. SMR General Trias and the largest SM Mall in Cavite. SM General Trias will be opening near you. Imagine kung gaano ka-convenient kapag fully operation na ang mga malls na ito. This area definitely set to grow more with more instruction development. Kaya this is a perfect place to invest. Richdale West Residences is also near sa mga top universities tulad ng Lyceum of the Philippines at iba pang mga school sa area. Kaya kung may mga anak ka na, this is the perfect location for your family. Super convenient, safe, at connected pa sa major roads, making it easy for everyone in your family to get where they need to be. On top of that, the community offers great amenities like clubhouse, basketball court, at mga wide concrete roads. Perfecto para sa family gathering, active lifestyle, at isang secure at peaceful environment. Imagine na lang ang family mo. Finally, may sariling bahay na with a comfortable, secure, and accessible na environment. Hindi lang bahay ang binibili, kundi isang lugar kung saan pwedeng mag-grow ang family mo, mag-create ng memories at mamuhay ng masaya for years to come. So ano pang hinihintay mo? This is your chance to finally own your dream home sa isang prime location. Message us today para may reserve ang unit for only 20,000 reservation fee. And let's get you started on your home ownership journey. Huwag palampasin, this is your time.